how Jamaican season fish. So when you season fish as a real yard man, first thing you do, you wash your fish, clean out the inside, make sure it's not so clean, yard man style. So make sure you take out them pieces. So yard man season fish. So then you have your seasoning. You mix it up. Now, yard man normally tell you what in the seasoning. So then mix it up, yard man style, and then season the fish 1-1. Yard man season fish 1-1. Yard man season the fish in the sink. The reason make them season the fish in the sink, you know, want nasty up the place. Like a nasty up the place, you have to clean it up. So 4 fish man of spice. You understand? Normally, yard man no spice fish still. Then go and work with the swim around or the sea creature. But today, 4 fish man of spice. Season them up well nice. See, eh? I will season it with the head panny. You understand? Yard man eat the eyes, everything. Well nice and spicy. We just left this for a minute. You understand? We left this for a minute and then we come back in a 30 minutes. And it well seasoned up and nice, and then we just fry them and cook them down and deal with the thing. Yardman style, how we season fish. So we will left this for a minute, then we'll come back in a 30 minutes and it's all ready. Yeah man, respect.